Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, my YouTube channel Scroll Money. I'm going to show you 3 apps to make money online from home and they will cost for beginners. That's right guys, 3 apps to make money online from home. You can make between $150 to $200 a day, and it is worldwide. I will show you exactly how you can do it. It's easy and simple, and before that make sure you watch this video to find out exactly how they work. I definitely recommend that you watch this entire video to see exactly how you can start making money from home. It is simple, and before that leave me a comment below and don't forget to give me a quick like, and as always feel free to click on that link in the description below of how to start an online business as a beginner from home, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos. Let's get into this. The first one that I want to show you is called Panal app. All you need to do is download it to your phone. It is very simple and easy. It will actually start collecting data. This app will do it is safe, and don't worry about that, and don't worry about what data is going to collect. It is all sensitive, 100 legit work, and it will actually start collecting data. This is what this app will do. It is safe, and don't worry about what data is going to collect. It is all sensitive, 100 legit work, and when you download this app, I will give you a tip: allow all these apps and download, and it is going to be various ones that you can use to gather information of your phone, and they don't release your data. The way you have got to look at it is your phone at the moment has that much data on it that's collected by your phone provider anyway, why you don't get paid for it. So what movies you watch, what YouTube channels you go through, what you for all sorts of data, and then that data is used and given to companies what apps you have downloaded. And all you need to do with the smart panel is downloaded, and you need to make sure that it is active and sign up, and you literally start getting rewarded and do what you need to do. There is a few ways that you can actually get paid with this. The first one, you can get Amazon gift cards, and the second one through PayPal. So it is really cool way to make money, making money online from home. So the next app that I really like is called WiseBanyan, okay, and they have got a 4-star rating, and it is basically invest for free. You sign up, and I think they give you a $20 bonus, and they help you invest when you actually invest there, and they do all the work for you. And what you make, there is a percentage that they will charge, and basically what happens is you invest your money into stocks, into bonds, into shares, and when you sign up you get that $20 bonus that you can invest immediately. And of course the app does everything for you, and the app shows you exactly what's happening with your money, whether it is in share bonds or in stocks, and how much money you have. It is really good way of making money from home, and you can make between $150 to $200 a day. It is true, it is simple. Now if you have a lucky WiseBanyan is a free financial advisor that builds and manages investment plans to help clients reach financial milestones such as retirement, creating a rainy day fund, or purchasing a home, and it tells you exactly how you are spending your money. And what happens with this app, there is going to be few of these apps that actually do this, how much you want to deposit on a weekly, fortnightly, monthly. The app will automatically invest your money into these different opportunities for yourself. When you put your money in that, and you can really start making good money investing, as you can see here about WiseBanyan, acquired by Access Financial, build and manage tailored investment plans to help clients reach financial milestones, creating a rainy day fund, or purchasing a home. So if you want to make money with these apps, definitely recommend you check this one out. And if you don't know how to invest in, you only want to invest a little bit, this app does it for you. So it is really good way to make money. This is a really good way of making money online from home. I never really saw that it was possible to make money with these apps, or to get apps to invest for, or to even get free money that you can use to invest these apps. Definitely make money online, or to use apps for different types of investing. And the next one that I want to show you is Paribus. Very simple and easy to use, and that's the reason why I like this. And when you download this app, it's going to ask you for permission to have access in particular things. It is going to ask you for permission to have access to your emails that you have bought and receipts. And what this site actually does, it rewards for you for keeping your email and your receipts. Just say you buy a laptop for $600 in June. You buy a laptop for $600, okay? You are in June, right? These guys will have access to receipts or emails. That data will be stored and they will know you have bought a laptop for $600. Then what's going to happen in February? They find out, or the system find out, because they have got that information, that laptop, or they found it somewhere for $350. It is $150 difference, and they are going to give you $150 back into your pocket. I don't know how and I don't know why. All you need to know is that you get that money back in your pocket. It must be a marketing thing there for them in terms of what they get out of it. It is that simple. They will discuss exactly how that works, and these guys will go out, and the app name is Paribus, and you will get some of your money back, which is good as making money on apps. It is very simple and easy, and you can be redeeming some of your money back, and you can be making some of your money back. It is as good as making money when it is in your own pocket, right? So definitely check that one. That one was Virgos. What is it about? Effortlessly save money on your online purchases when price drop at 25 major retailer. It is that easy. Simply download the app, sign up for free account. This is a free way to make money. So the next app that I really like is called Acrorns, and I will tell you why I really like that app. And this is another app that will take your money and invest it into stocks and shares and bonds. They'll actually round up any purchases that you make throughout the day and invest it whatever you ask. It invests into bonds or shares or stocks, wherever you tell it, whatever you ask it. It will tell you exactly how it is working for you. It will tell you, you can see how aggressive you want it. It will tell you what percentage and how much it's gone up. So for example, the way it works is, let's say you go and buy a tea for $1.50, it will automatically round up that purchase to $2. It will take 50 cents. It is like a future retirement plan. What happens from that is it will automatically round up that purchase to $2, and like I said, it will take 50 cents and invest your money into a share that you have selected previously in terms of regression. So what happens, of course, you will make money and those shares will continue to grow, and definitely you make money online from home. Honestly, I can't believe that there is app like this. It is fantastic. I don't know that this existed. It is great. It is unbelievable for me. I love investing. I love shares. I really enjoy making money online, and it is risky. It is so much of a challenge. I don't understand it that much, but it is so much of a challenge. Also, you are not talking a lot of money and how much money you are spending, and I think you are spending money every single day, maybe 20, 40, 60, 80, $90 a day. That's round that up and that money gets invested. So I definitely recommend it that you check it out, and the problem is having the time to do this for you. So if you have got a discount somewhere for a few dollars, invest that money. This app does it for you. These apps will make you money online, and for example, if you buy chocolate or coffee or coca for $2.30, they will invest 40 cents for you, and how quick it will grow. Spend smarter. You will be surprised and you will make money online. This is another app that will teach you how to invest. I definitely recommend that you check it out, and this is one of my favorites, and I definitely recommend that you check it out. That's my opportunity for you today. Check out and you can make instant money online immediately. I highly recommend that you check it out. It is the end. As always, click on that link in my description if you want to make money online and take a look. It is a fantastic opportunity where you could be earning money online. I'm going to have a link in my description below if you want to see how I am making money online, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification and give me a quick like. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and goodbye.